Today is Tuesday. I'm supposed to go to do the hike at 8 Peaks of Immortal. But because of Typhoon Signal 1, rain forecast, so change the plan. We'll do an urban hike from North Point. Go to Braemar Hill, and go to Quarry Bay and come back. This is Panasonic College. I studied at this college at primary 4 and 5. I think they moved the school from down below to up here. This is like a new campus. After 48 minutes of walk and hike on concrete road and stairs like that, finally got like a trailhead. It was here. That's that. I'm going this direction here. So just will take me to the Braemar Hill viewpoint. So all together so far, 2.2 kilometers under the 79 elevation again. So I'm on a sort of halfway up to the summit of this hill overlooking. First opening, Kowloon. Oh, in fact, that's an old Kai-Tak airport. What a coincidence, one in the middle of camp. Having hiked and ran into Andrew, and this was two university friends hiking in this area with the beach and then walking, crowding. Approaching the viewpoint of Braemar Hill. From here, you can see the Kowloon side. Victoria Harbour. Listen to my tongue, Lord above. Came down from the viewpoint, come to the T-junction here. I'm gonna go to the Mount Parker Road, follow the Sir Cecil Flight. Now I think I want to go back to the Quarry Bay. That would be my endpoint. Down there is Quarry Bay. I think I'm gonna end up there some way, but I'm gonna go around this mountain. I'm not gonna go top. That's Mount Parker. And came from there. That's the Sir Cecil's Ride, part of the Losing Trail. Right now, there's another cruising trail to Cornhill. And here's a little one called the Guan Yin. Yeah. So yeah, that time it's gonna go down. But which way? That way or that way? Oh, surprisingly, bump into this building. You see, it's now used as a Woodside Biodiversity Education Center, but the building is what? A historical building here. It's 12:30 almost. After 2 hours and 25 minutes, 6.7 kilometer. 270 meter gain back to civilization, whatever you want to call. And this road in front of me is the main road, the extension of the King's Road, but I'm in Quarry Bay. So I either walk back to North Point or I can take a bus or a train. So this is a second hike. Weather turned out to be very nice, and the forecast for rain 80%, but no, didn't happen. So until next one.